guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, who's ready to talk luxury? Behind me is the one and only Mercedes Benz Maybach 580. Let's check it out. As always, let's start at the front. I don't really want to spend a lot of time from the outside because the whole showstopper is inside, but as we can see, the middle line, that's very typical for Maybach. We see the Maybach grille, Maybach logo, and of course we've got the radar at the front. The really cool thing about the front are the digital lights. If you look at them, they look very robotic, they look very futuristic, almost like a transformer kind of light. They look really cool. Now moving to the side, we've got these super cool 20-inch wheels all around. Look at that, they're so cool. They look like from the 2000s rap music videos. Aren't they just sick? Now come to the side. If we open the door, for example like this, the Maybach logo projects on the ground. Guess what? It's too sunny so you can't see it. Come to the back, guys. The typical Maybach logo on the side, Maybach badge, Mercedes badge, S580. You know, it's a very luxurious car and I've been carrying my heavy Emirates and Dior shopping bags. How do I get them in? My hands are full and my butler's not here with me. Oh wait. Ta-da! Effortless trunk opening now. Put my bags in. There is so much space at the back here, guys. You can put a lot of shopping bags and suitcases in, and then I'm just lazy again to, you know, touch it. Woohoo! Don't worry, Maybach's got you covered. Easy. Piece of cake. Now, I told you, the best part is happening in here. Now, if you look at that, I slide, the door handle comes up, and ta-da! I can't wait for you to check this out. Come. This is definitely a private jet on the wheels. I wish you could feel how comfortable it is, but I'm lazy to, you know, go all the way to the door handle, so how do I close the door? Maybach thought of everything. With a press of a button, the door closes, and with a press of a button, it can open again. Or what if I don't want to raise my hand up there because I'm that posh at this stage? I just reach out. Did you see that? That's called magic. I'm the new Harry Potter. I closed it with just my mind. Joking, there's a sensor that closes your door if needed, if you don't want to go up there or you don't really want to close it yourself. Now, when it comes to luxury and comfort, I don't think it gets better than this. To be driven around, to work, to meetings, to just around the town, if you have the budget, then this is what you want. Now, if we look at the door, so we can start there, you can see the ambient light all over the car. Focus on this little guy right here. I've got an iPad over here. I'm gonna press a button. It's gonna pop the iPad out. And then, I wanna play some music. 3D sound, and let me put the music up. Did you see that? The speaker comes out in a 3D mode. It's really cool. It's very futuristic. It's very different. So not only you can control the speakers and the sound system through your iPad over here, you can control everything from navigation to phone, to media, to car airflow, to everything. And then you simply just pop it back in and it goes automatically onto the charger. When it comes to the seats, not only they are super duper comfortable, but they have all these comfort features right here that make you just relax and enjoy the drive. Here we also get cup holders and a wireless charging pad over here. Both rear passengers get to enjoy two 15-inch screens. Not only the iPad, but also these 15-inch screens. There's a Maybach logo and ambient light surrounding the seat, and you can control everything through this screen, from navigation to phone to radio to comfort, apps and media. When we talk about comfort, the massage features in this car are actually insane. You feel like you're in some Thai spa where you get the hot relaxing for back, hot relaxing shoulders, mobilizing relaxation, activating relaxation, classic relaxation, the relaxation, and we can go on and on and on. It's actually crazy. Of course, you can control your ambient light over here with brightness and effect, adaptive rear lights, energizing everything, guys, with this screen. For more comfort, you can just press a button We're not done yet, guys. Turn your massage on and enjoy the movie. Isn't this car absolutely epic? And then again, with a press of a button, it all goes back. Of course, you get heating and cooling seats, and with a press of a button, you can open the sunroof and operate the blinds around the car. And if you look up, guys, you can see the Alcantara roof. There's a speaker right here in the middle as well. I think I just grated my nail on it. It's pretty sharp. And lights over here, you can choose reading light or a stronger light, and you can now really nicely see the ambient light all around the car. I think it's time for us to check out the front. What do you say? Let's go. How classy is the interior? Look at the seats. And then do you know what's hiding in here? Oh, it's not only a glove box. There's a fragrance right here that gets sent into your AC and then blows nice fragrance around the car. I love the gray leather and the orange leather with the wood trim around, and the center of the whole attention at the front is the screen. And see this button right here? This scans your fingerprint and allows you access to your personal settings and driving modes. It's really cool. Something I didn't show you at the back is here we go to comfort, energizing comfort. If you press forest glade, driver and passenger, sounds of the sea, the car plays calming sounds, so you don't drive like in that case. Not only that, it also automatically turns on the AC depending on the mode. That's pretty cool. Over here we have two cup holders, wireless charging port, and a little storage. And the same here, there are a few charging ports and a small storage. We've got really classy leather and wood multifunctional steering wheel. Do you guys see the driver's screen? See the map over here? It feels very 3D. And also the background of your driver's display changes with different driving modes. Guys, if you didn't know what you were driving, there's another Maybach logo. So yeah, fun thing, there's actually over 30 Maybach logos in this car. But look at this, leather and wood multifunctional steering wheel. That's really a piece of art. I actually really like this car. I don't know if you want to be driven around or if you want to drive yourself, but I guess we're going to find out. Hop in, we're going for a ride. Here we go. Oh, it's so smooth, so silent. I love this car. You don't even know that there is literally 496 horsepower under the hood. It's so quiet. Just as classy as the whole car, that's how classy the ride feels. Now you might be asking, what is producing that 496 horsepower? Well, it's a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, half petrol and half electric engine that also produces 700 Newton meters of torque. I mean, it's like driving on a cloud. It's like Aladdin and his magic carpet, flawless. And for those that didn't know, there's something called M-Connect inside of this Maybach, which allows you to remotely, for example, park your car and control your car remotely. I think that's pretty cool. Let's also focus on a heads-up display that is perfectly clear, and I can see everything, including the lane keep assistant in front of me. I am obsessed with this car. I actually don't know if I want to be driven around or I want to drive. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll wait for our next video. Bye!